welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of viewing all of your received friend requests in Facebook. This feature allows you to manage your friend requests effectively. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. Step 1. If you haven't already, download the Facebook app from the Play Store. Simply head over to the search bar, type in Facebook, and look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it, then select Install to begin the download. Step 2. Once the download is complete, tap on Open to launch the Facebook app. Sign in using your credentials. Step 3. On the main screen, locate the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 4. Within the menu, you'll find a gear icon next to a magnifying glass icon. Tap on the gear icon. Step 5. Scroll down to find Activity Log under the Your Activity section. Tap on it to access your activity history. Step 6. Inside the activity log, tap on Activity History. Then, tap on Filters and select Categories. Step 7. In the Categories menu, tap on Connections to open a submenu. Look for Friends and tap on it, which will display a gear icon. Step 8. Finally, tap on Received Friend Requests to view all of the friend requests you have received. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage your received friend requests in Facebook. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and happy friend request managing.